Today we are showing the total knee replacement surgery cemented with all the instrument set with the step-by-step whole procedure. This is the knee joint and we should take the incision over here over the knee joint and we can expose the knee joint in this position for the knee replacement surgery. This is femoral canal opener. After taking the incision, we will take the entry by this using this instrument with a T handle in the femur bone. We'll use this instrument by taking the entry in the femoral bone. This is the distal femoral jig which can use to measure the valgus angle, and after taking the entry you can use this jig after inserting the femoral distal guide. We just have to take the distal cut guide, and this is the attachment for it. You just have to first lock this with the jig, and after completing this you can just insert this jig here. This is the pin that you can use for the distal guide fixation. Inserting the pin, we just have to remove this distal cutting guide. This is the thickness gauge, and that can be used to measure the thickness of the joint gap, and after the bone cut you just have to make the trial implant placed. This is used to ensure the balance, flexion and extension gap before the component. After using the feeler gauge, you can cut this with the blade. After cutting the distal cut, you can just remove this distal guide from the kill. This is the femoral sizer, and that used for check the size for the femoral component, and this is the attachment for it, and we just have to lock this and screw this, and after that we should have to place the segment on the bone, and we can check the range, we can check the femoral size for it, and that's the F. We can use the F size of the component for the femoral size. This is the tibial cutting jig. After checking the size of the femoral component, we will further move for the tibial component, and this is the tibial jig. By using that, we will forward the procedure for the tibial size of the knee. Now we are showing the tibial component, and this is the tibial jig, and we are showing the assemble, how we could assemble this tibial component jig. First we have to discard the screw. Then we should place this component like this. We should place this component like this in a center position. Then we have to just lock that jig, and then again we just have to fit with this using of this screw. Then we will lock forward another component. This is the sizer that we should have to fix. This is the cutting jig that we have to fix like this.
Okay, the heavy